everyone, my name is Reema and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. When we are at home, we always feel the urge to eat something or the other. And during this period, since we are at home for so long, we constantly feel that we are hungry. So in today's video, we will be preparing two delicious recipes which are simple and yet very tasty. So the first recipe we are considering is creamy cheese mushroom pasta. I love pasta. It's one of my most favorite dishes. In this video, we will be considering Maggi macaroni pasta, what comes along with the masala, but we will not be using that masala. We will be preparing the masala and the cream from scratch. And the second recipe what we are considering is no surprise, and yes, it is the most famous coffee right now, the Dalgona coffee. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So the first recipe is creamy cheese mushroom pasta. The ingredients what we are using are as follows. We are using some cabbage, onion, mushroom. In here we are using three different colors of capsicum. I had it so I am using it, but you can use a single color, that is okay. Garlic, salt, oregano and chili flakes, all-purpose flour, that is maida, some black pepper. We are using cream, milk, butter, cheese, and here we are using macaroni pasta. We have already boiled the macaroni pasta and kept so that we don't waste any time doing that. For this I am using a non-stick pan and I have already added oil and heated it to the right temperature. So next we will be adding some garlic. Now let's add some onion. Let it get cooked for some time. These are cooked a bit. Now let's add mushrooms. This will take some time to get cooked, so let it get cooked. Now let's add some capsicum and some cabbage. Add some salt according to your taste. Also add some black pepper. Mix them well. Let it get cooked for some time. The veggies are done and I have taken it in a plate now. So now let's start with the pasta. Now we'll be preparing the cream for the pasta. For that we need some butter. Add 3 spoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Mix it well. Now let's add 250 ml of milk. The cream is ready now, so let's add some salt. Remember, we have already added some salt in the veggies, so add a little less salt here. Give it a stir. Now let's add chili flakes and oregano. Give it a stir. Let's add a spoon of cream. Now this is optional. If you have, you can add it. Give it a mix. Now let's add some cheese. Add a good amount of cheese. Now let's add some veggies and give it a good stir. Now let's add the macaroni pasta. The quantity of the ingredients that I have used for pasta depends on the number of people you're cooking for. I have prepared for 2 people, so I am using accordingly. You can use as per your needs. Pasta is ready to serve. Now, let's move on to the next recipe. The second recipe is Dalgona Coffee, and the ingredients we are using is as follows. Here we have some coffee, then some powdered sugar. I am using powdered sugar because it makes it easier to mix it. Then some warm water. So we will take 2 spoons of coffee, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 spoons of water, hot water actually. Let's mix this. And stir it till you get the proper consistency of the frosting. After beating it for some time, we got it into this consistency. If you want it a little more creamier, then you can beat it for more time. We are fine with this consistency. So now let's pour the coffee. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you try any of these dishes, please tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see them, and also I'll be reposting them on my story. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to create good content for you. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.